Hello friends, this is Savi. I hope you all are doing great in your life. So today I want to share two rules that can help you in your speaking. If you are a beginner in this language, if you are a tyro in this language, so you can start with these two rules which I am going to tell you today. So if you will do daily these two steps, then you will become master of English language. So let's start without any further delay. So one thing you have to do, you have to watch this video till the end. So for sure friends, if you will do daily these two steps, you would become the master of English language and you would enhance your communication skill. But you have to be consistent about it. So first one is listening and second one is speaking. First one is I'm insisting listening. As much as you can listen, according to your time you have to choose listening. So start listening with understandable language. There's no need to choose advanced English videos. So many YouTubers are uploading nowadays very simple speaking. So you can start with those videos. And while listening, you have to imitate those words also. Okay, and start listening by according to your time. Like if you are a housewife, you can start like while cooking, while mopping, while clothing. Such type of time you have to give. Okay, so listen as much as you can. By walking you can listen, and listen understandable language only. There's no need to listening like advanced English words. Okay, if you are not understanding advanced English words, so what you can embrace? So listen what you are understanding right now. Now second one is speaking. So if you are feeling after 2 months, after 3 months, within a month, it may be according to your catching power. If you feel that I can express my words, which I have listened so far I have listened, then I can express my words. Then you can start speaking. Start speaking with your broken language. Like nobody is perfect here. Nobody is going to judge you that which language are you using and which type are you expressing your words. No, you can record your video. Okay, if you don't have a partner of speaking partner, so you can record yourself. Everybody has a smartphone, so start speaking and record your speaking. A video camera it can be, or voice you can record also. So you can record, and after recording 5 minutes 2 minutes according to your time, which is suitable for you, you can record yourself and then listen and find out your glitches, then what you today spoke. Okay, then again you have to choose a topic, like which color do you like, why do you like this color, what is the specialty of this color, what is merits and demerits of this color, why do you not like this color, why morning walk is good for health, what is the merits of demerits of the morning walk. Such type of topic you can choose. Simple topic you have to choose. No need to speak advanced level if you are not understanding. If you are understanding, that is very good. Okay, but if you are not understanding, then you have to start such type of words, like why walking is important, why teaching is important, why education is important. Such type of topic you can choose for the speaking. Don't forget, record yourself while speaking. You have to record yourself, then listen your words, what glitches you did, what mistake you did while speaking, and find out those glitches and work on those glitches. So these two steps are going to be help you if you are a beginner in this language. If you want to enhance your communication skill, then you have to follow these two rules, and I hope these two rules would help you in your communication skill. So you have to start with these two rules which I told you today. If you are a beginner, then definitely these two rules will help you in communication skill. So you have to consistent about it. Daily you have to do. Don't delay 1 day or 2 days after. If you are doing, then it would be not beneficial for you. You have to daily at least 15 minutes 13 minutes you have to give. daily listening. Start listening, then you have to start speaking after like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, according to your time. Okay, so we'll meet in next video. If you find something helpful for you, then do like and share with your friends. Thanks, and we'll meet in next video.